So, Kevin said the table lit up like a Christmas tree when the angels went, right? So it turned out this light was where a cluster of angels fell. So I'm thinking maybe there's some way to hotwire this, make it track angels. That way we could have Cass steer clear of danger. This is
Your idea?
Do you see anybody else in here?
So how would it work?
Oh, no idea. See, at first I thought the table was the computer, but it's not. It turns out it's just part of it. But I did find these cables underneath.